Hello and welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to show you how to install the gear lever. It fits all the model years on the Honda Monkey and Grom. The lever is made with forged aluminium and designed to be extremely strong and durable. The natural satin finish will keep it looking good whatever conditions you throw at it. Here you can see the new part up against the standard part. You notice that the original part has a small tie rod installed. This design allows for slack in the movement of the gear lever as shown here. And here you can see on the new part the movement is more direct without any sloppy free play. Right, let's fit this thing. You'll need a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, an extension bar, a suitable ratchet, an optional flat screwdriver, and a torque wrench. The most tricky part is removing this circlip. It's a sprung loaded clip requiring a special tool. This is the right tool for the job. I will link this in the description below. You can, however, remove it with a small flat driver, but this can be tricky and clumsy, as you can see here. The tool is about £6 to £10, so it's worth buying one if you don't want any hassle. This is basically what the tool does to the circlip. Right now, that's out of the way, let's remove this thing. Using the 10mm socket, remove the pinch bolt as shown. Slide the gear lever off, it might need a little persuasion. You now have better access to the circlip. Using the tool, spread the clip and slide it off. Now gently slide the pivot section off. Keep the parts safe in case you need them in the future. Slide the new lever on and get the correct position. I suggest wearing your boots and try it first and make sure it feels natural. Once in place, screw the 8mm pinch bolt and tighten to 8 Newton meters. You can use Loctite here if you wish. And there we have it. Remove and refit within 5 minutes. Now you have made a vast improvement to the feel of the gearbox for less than £30, and I think it looks great. Please share this with your monkey friends and show them this great upgrade. If this has been useful, give me a like and consider subscribing to watch more monkey madness with me and my wife. Until then, I've been Nick, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.